Knowledge is power when put into action. After achieving some deep deposit relationships and six figures in credit limits with some of the nation's largest banks in the last 12 months, I found my objectives shifting to fortifying my hard-earned FICO scores and to open up more options to continue to fund my growing small business. So I did some digging in my local region and found an absolute diamond of an institution. Not only does this institution offer a broad array of consumer and business banking products, but they have some of the most accommodating underwriting that I've seen in quite some time. Underwriting's so sweet that I may be able to skyrocket my personal and business credit limits in the next 60 to 90 days. Let me explain. But before we get into that, let me give you a little bit of an intro and an opportunity for you to learn more on how to invest in this channel. Let's get into it. Okay, before we get back on top, you have some excess capital that your bank's no longer paying you that same return on. Now the interest rates are down and you're looking for a stable, purposeful, and profitable place to invest your money. But if I told you can support one of your favorite content creators while still earning a respectable return on your money? Yeah, that's right. The platform sponsoring this video is called Oversubscribe. It's a SEC regulated platform that's connecting the audience and the creator like never before. It's an opportunity for you to invest in this channel and share in the profitability in this channel as it grows. There's no commitment right now, but there's a link in the description. You want to learn more? Fill out the quick form and let's get in motion. So this institution is called Red River Bank. It's a Louisiana-based community bank that just moved into my metro area this year, and they're hitting the ground running. They were founded in 1998. Red River is in multiple metro areas throughout my state. The beauty of banks this size is often their service, product diversity, and reinvestment back into our local economies. Let's be honest, larger banks are great, but at the end of the day, when it comes down to that quality one-to-one service, being able to open up a banking relationship and walk out with a bag of goodies just as a thank you, and knowing that your dollars are going to lead to lending and other financial resources being reinvested back into your community, it's just a different kind of feeling that these larger banks can't provide. So now, why am I so particularly excited about this bank when it comes to the personal and business funding options? Well, this bank has multiple credit cards on a personal and business side, with each side having 0% cards on purchases and balance transfers for 6 months with no balance transfer fee. They also have personal and business checking and savings account that don't have a balance requirement to avoid the monthly service fee with them. So that means it's an inexpensive to set up solid deposit relationship to improve my overall approval odds for these cards that I'm eyeing on the personal and business side. Now, how will these cards have an impact on my existing credit limits? I know many of you are kind of focused on how is this going to lead to me skyrocketing my credit limits on the personal and business side. So aside from the new limits that I'm going to get from these cards, generally speaking, when applied for, I'll be able to spread out some existing balances that I have on particular business cards to free up available space on those existing cards and improve my odds of credit limit approvals on those existing cards. So think about that for a second. I'm getting brand new limits at 0%, and then I'm turning around and freeing up space on some business cards that I have now that I've used up to expand my small businesses. And now that's going to free me up to get a higher approval chance or probability of credit limit increases at those existing institutions, all with one move. So to top it off, my research has indicated, based on me opening my personal deposit relationship with this bank already, that I can get these two cards, the business and personal, with one hard inquiry. Yeah, that's right, the infamous double dip. So to recap, essentially, I'm going to be able to set up a low maintenance, inexpensive deposit relationship while letting that season for maybe about 2 to 3 months, go back in with them, apply for the business credit card, and use the same inquiry to get approved for the personal credit card, giving me a fresh 0% pool of capital to shift balances around at no cost because there's no balance transfer fees. There's no annual fee on the personal card and only a $10 annual fee on the business card. Increase limits by having those fresh limits with this institution, the new one, Red River, and then turning around and freeing up available space and improving my utilization on the existing business cards. I'm going to move those balances from with those banks, increasing my odds of a credit limit increase. This is absolute relationship banking and capital management at its finest. Knowledge is literally golden when put into action. Knowledge is real power when you put it into action. So comment down below. Let me know what you think about this strategy. Let me know what small banks that you're building with and why you like them. What value are they providing? What products are they providing that's helping you to expand your personal and or small business resources? That having been said, to all my pioneers, welcome back. To all my new viewers, welcome in. I want you guys to comment, like, share, and subscribe to continue to support this channel so this channel can continue to support and reinvest back into you. You've also been privy to a new opportunity to support this channel, a revolutionary way, might I add. So it's no more thanks or gear or small trinkets for your financial donations. This is an opportunity for you to make a financial investment into this channel and actually sharing the revenue of this channel as it grows. Literally a golden opportunity that's being pioneered right now by a phenomenal platform. If you want to learn more about that, again, in the description section down below, so you can fill out a quick form, get some additional context, and learn more about this fundraising opportunity for you to get some great profits on your investments. That having been said, I want each and every one of you to stay focused, stay in motion. I'll see y'all soon.